Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. Now today what we're going to do is learn how to organize and move folders within my study center. And to show that, let's dive right into the app and I'll show you how. So you can see here that we're at the home screen and I'm going to open up the study center. And what I've done here is I have created, you can see test 1, test 2, and test 4. Now if I open up the test 4 folder, you can see that inside here I have some elements. And if I open up and I come back out the test 2 folder, you can see that I have some other elements. And inside that one, you can see that I have a folder called test 3. And maybe I had accidentally created that folder within the test 2 and I want to move it out to the root. Now how would I do that? It's pretty easy. Let's just long click to pop up the little menu here, and it says one of the options is move. So you just tap move. Now you just scroll back to the top, highlight the root folder, which is Study Center, click OK, and it's going to move the test 3 folder into the root. Now it's going to move it down probably to the bottom of my folder here, which it did, because it puts it, the last folder created, it puts it at the bottom. Now, if I want to move this up to the top, I just put my finger not on the word test 3, because if you click on move, move is actually to, move it between folders. If you want to move up and down in the order, what you do is you long click here as it was and drag all the way up and just keep dragging it up, move, 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 scroll, scroll. So you can see I'm just sort of navigating back and forth to be able to move this folder and move it up the order because I want to move it up to the top. So up we go. Okay, so here we go. Once I've got it back to the top, I don't want to put it back in the folder again. You can see if I was going to put it in the folder, it would be there, but I actually want to put it between test 2 and test 3. Once I'm happy in the location of where I want to place it, I lift my finger and it will write itself into memory in that position. So that's how I can move a folder within the order in my study center, and I can move folders within or without. I could pick up this folder and I could just drop it right within 2 like that. And now 2, if I refresh, if I get it correctly, should go into 3. Let's hope that it does. Yes, now I got it this time. So now when I open up 3, there is test 2. But I can't just drag it outside. That's where I have to come and click on move and take it to the root. Now remember, when it puts it on the root, it's not going to put it at the top. It's going to move it back down to the bottom like before. So I hope I've explained to you the basic method of moving your folder out or within a folder, and also how to navigate a folder and move it up and down the list in the order in which I would like it to appear. Thank you for joining us for another tech tip. I'm Darryl Thompson. Have a nice day.